Hey foodies, welcome to Amar'skitchen. Today we are making perfect restaurant style Peri Peri Gobi Manchurian. Before starting, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. So here in a pan, I have boiled water. After boiling the water for 2 to 3 minutes, I will be adding my cauliflower and will be boiling the cauliflower for 2 to 3 minutes. After boiling, we'll strain it and keep it aside. Now in a pan, I will be adding 3 tablespoons corn flour, after that I'll be adding 3 tablespoons unbleached flour, which is Maida, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix everything together, and now at a time add very little water and make a thick paste. Make sure no lump left. Once thick batter is formed, I will be adding my boiled cauliflower in it, and I will be using my hand to give a good coating to the cauliflower. Once it's mixed very well, I'll be adding again 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of maida in this and mix it again. This way it will give a very good coating of the batter when we will be air frying or oil frying. So we will be frying the gobi in the air fryer at 360 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. And now in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil on a high heat. I have taken olive oil. Once your oil is hot enough, add 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic minced. And fry on medium to high flame. After that, add 1 medium-sized chopped onion, and keep frying for almost 1 minute till the onions start changing its color. And now I will be adding 1 medium-sized bell pepper, I'll be frying for almost 30 seconds on high flame. And after that, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, mix everything together very well, and then add Peri Peri sauce 3 to 4 tablespoons. So here I have taken Nando's brand Peri Peri sauce. You can buy it from any Indian store. And now I will be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. And now, to get a very good color, I have added 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri Lal Mirch, and after that I will be adding 1 teaspoon of sugar. So here I have used brown sugar. You can use honey, agave, white sugar, brown sugar, any sugar of your choice. Once sauce is formed and thick enough, I will be adding my slurry. So I've made my slurry by adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 1 cup water, and I let it boil to make a thick paste. And on the other side, my gobi is fried in the air fryer, and now I'll be adding my gobi. You can fry also, it's totally of your choice. So here I have air fried with very little of bit of oil. Now mix your cauliflower very well in the sauce. Once it's mixed very well, turn off your flame and garnish it with spring onions, and some sesame seeds. And your peri peri gobi manchurian is ready to enjoy. Serve it to your family with fried rice, and you're gonna love the flavor. If you like my recipe, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. You can comment in comment section also. If you have any question, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram under the name Amar'skitchen, and check out my new recipes on every Thursday and Saturday. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.